Is AI and automation actually driving real ROI, or are most companies just burning through lots of cash? My name's Jamie Claret, I'm from Autonomate, and in Questions from the Boardroom, I tackle the biggest questions that senior leaders are asking right now. So probably if you've been on LinkedIn or you've been watching the news, there's been a whole hoo-ha at the moment where from some of the big consultancies, and they're saying that effectively, I think it's 80% or 90% or even more, 95% of AI projects are not delivering any ROI. And the question is why? I mean, we've all been told this is going to solve all the world's problems and solve all your business problems and things like that. And part of the reason is that these kind of early adoption struggles come from, I'd say, poor implementation and not really the tech. There is no doubt that technology is amazing. It's incredible. It's better than a PhD student. It's, the brightest mind that there is. But the problem is that people are looking at the shiny stuff. They're looking at all these shiny tools. One of the biggest challenges I have in my business is that when I speak to people, they've been sold this dream that it's going to do absolutely everything and you don't have to do anything. You just kind of plug it in and that's it. And unfortunately, that is just not the reality. And the reality is where the real value still lies. And the real value still lies in operational efficiency and measurable outcomes. This is no different from any other strategy that you do in your business. You need to look at what you're currently doing. You're going to measure how long that takes, how long it costs, how efficient or inefficient it is to give you a kind of a KPI of where you are now. And you then need to implement or project what that would look like with AI and automation. If it's not going to give you a win, if it's not going to give you a return on investment, if it's not going to make you more efficient, increase your revenue or decrease your costs, then my argument would be don't use it. I often say to people, this is not the right thing for you. If, however, it looks like there is going to be a tangible result and is aligned with your strategy, then absolutely you will see return on investment and benefits. All the clients that we work with, this is part of the process. This is part of what we call discovery, where we understand the model of what they're doing, their processes, their systems, in measurable amounts. We'll ask them, how much does this person earn? How long do they spend doing it? And often this is new to people. They've not really had to question these kind of things before. But it's only when you do that that you're able to then work out whether what you're going to do is going to give you a measurable result. So thanks for listening and see you on the next one.